Okay, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you guys how we can add text to our pencil box. I'm going to add to the sides, but you could also add it to the lid, the ends, inside it. It's up to you. You can choose what you do and you can write whatever you like. So to do this we're going to have to go back to our Part Studio. So that's these tabs down the bottom. Of course, if you wanted to draw something on the lid, you'd do it there. But for this one, we're going to go here. So I've already drawn that on one of the sides. And if I hover over my parts over here, I can see which side I've drawn on. So I've drawn it on side 2. We need to draw on side 1. So I'm going to have to rotate my view. So we're looking at this side, and then we're going to click the sketch button. Where do you want your sketch to be? So we're going to click on this surface. I'm going to click N on the keyboard, which is the same as doing the right click view normal to sketch plane or clicking the view cube. Then I want you to look for the text tool. So it might be under a down arrow, but it looks like an A inside a box. So that's the one we want. And this is one of the times where you actually can drag a box and type your text. So we've got a few fonts that we can choose from. It's up to you what you choose. And you can choose bold and italics and that sort of thing. It gives you a preview of what it's going to look like here. And I've forgotten the one that I liked the look of before. That'll do. And tick. And there you go. It's placed my name, albeit way too big. So we can resize this using the dimension tool. If you remember, the side of our box is 210. So I need to resize this to be less than 210. So in this case, I'm going to make it 180 and press enter. And the dimension button is still selected, so hit the escape on the keyboard or click it again to deselect, and we can drag this. Notice that it's kind of fixed in the middle, so you actually have to drag from the corners and get that centered in there where you think it looks good. And once you are happy, we can hit the tick. I'm going to go back to a 3-dimensional view, and we do an extrude. So what do you want to extrude? We select remove in this case. What do you want to extrude? So hover over the text, make sure it's all highlighted and click. And we're going to only go to a depth of 2 millimeters and enter. Have a look at the preview. If you're happy, you can tick, and that is done. So we've got text on both sides. And if I go back to my assembly, it should have updated over here as well. And there it is. That's it for this video. Good luck. Oh, and if you really want to, you could, using the same techniques, rather than adding text, you could try drawing a shape or drawing your logo using those sketch tools. But I'm not going to show you that in this video. You can try and work that out yourselves.